Very good evening. You're watching the headlines with me. I'm Dipavali Hazra. A day after the DMK skipped the opposition meeting called by Congress on the Citizenship Amendment Act, questions are now being raised on a possibility of fray in their ties. The DMK today said that it shunned the meeting as its chief, M.K. Stalin, was accused by the Congress of violating coalition dharma. DMK said only time will tell if the ties will return to normalcy. BJP's Meenakshi Lekhi fired back at Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella after his statement on the Citizenship Amendment Act. Taking a jibe at him, Lekhi said that the literate need to be educated. She also wondered why the US did not grant the same rights to Syrian Muslims as it did to Yazidis. Delhi police may start clearing the Kunj-Shaheen Bagh stretch of protesters who have been camping there for nearly a month now. The police are in touch with religious leaders and may use persuasion to end protests against the CAA that has been called by women at Shaheen Bagh. The police started clearing the road today following orders from the High Court on a petition citing traffic problems in the area. The Aam Aadmi Party has released its candidate list for the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will contest from New Delhi constituency, while Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia will contest from Patparganj. The ruling Aam Aadmi Party had swept the elections last time. The top court today dismissed the curative plea of two Nirbhaya case convicts against their death sentences. Following this, convict Mukesh filed a mercy plea which will be heard tomorrow. Avenues for relief are slowly closing for the four men accused of rape and murder of the 23-year-old paramedic student in December 2012. The victim's mother, Asha Devi, said January 22nd, the day of execution, would be the biggest day for her. Hearing Bhim Army Chief Chandrasekhar Azad's bail plea, Additional Sessions Judge Kamini Law said that it was a constitutional right for Azad to protest. She also chided the cops for behaving as though Jama Masjid was in Pakistan. The Bhim Army Chief has been in jail since December 21st for protesting against CAA despite restrictive orders. Minister of State for Defence Shripad Nayak said that he backs Army Chief General Narawane's statement on taking back Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and said that nothing is wrong with it. Nayak said that the government will think over POK whenever necessary and the army, as stated by General Narawane, is prepared. As many as 34 people who were part of a WhatsApp group that is under lens in the JNU violence case will be sent notices by the Delhi police. Earlier, the High Court had directed the police to summon individuals who were part of WhatsApp groups created to unite people for a cause and confiscate the phones as part of probe. Jamia Vice-Chancellor Najma Akhtar today approached the senior police officers over registration of FIR in the Jamia police crackdown case. Meanwhile, a team of the National Human Rights Commission visited the campus to record the statements of students in connection with the December 15th violence on campus. 4 soldiers lost their lives after an avalanche hit their post in the Marshall sector in Kupwara district of Jammu and Kashmir. A BSF Jawan was killed and 6 others were rescued after an avalanche along the line of control in Kashmir. In Sonmarg in Ganderbal district, 5 civilians were killed after an avalanche hit the Kulan village. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.